Gather these peanuts. They've been drying out in the sun. I'm going to roast them. These are going to be for roasting to make peanut butter, and some for just making snacks. Maybe I'll make some trail mix. So stay tuned. I'm roasting the peanuts that I harvested from the field. These are some I've already done. I'm going to show you how I do it. I set my oven for 350, and in here I have a salt solution that I use. And what I do is I spray these guys down, and I set my timer for 30 minutes. And then I bake them in the oven. Fresh from the field. "30 minutes later." And that's how I do it.